The courtroom rises as Judge Vonda B. steps in. Case JVB 1054, the McKinney case, is called. The judge settles into her seat, already sensing something unusual. One parent has shown up, the other has not.
Judge, this is case number JVB 1054, McKinney case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. I see you were brought to court today. I don't necessarily know who is this?
My ex-husband.
Okay, so he
Yes.
brought you to court today, had you served.
Correct.
Have you talked to him?
I have not.
The judge looks toward the mother. She confirms that she was served. She also confirms something else. She hasn't spoken to her ex-husband at all. The judge leans forward. This silence between parents usually means trouble. Oh.
Interesting. Okay. Well, do you have any idea why he brought you here? I mean,
Yeah.
other than him saying he's wanting child support, that's all I know.
That's all I know as well. We actually share a child together. Her name is Michaela. She's 12.
Okay.
And she's back and forth between her.
The judge asks why she thinks she's here. The mother only knows one thing. Her ex wants child support. But she's confused. They share a daughter, 12-year-old Michaela, who travels between both homes. And according to her, she handles everything.
Father and myself. And he's just decided to bring me to court. Currently, I do everything for Michaela. We just came back from a trip to Mexico.
Okay.
I furnish Michaela's education, take her shopping, basically just doing what a mother's supposed to do at this point.
Right.
So I'm not.
She explains she cares for Michaela's schooling, her clothes, her trips, even a recent vacation to Mexico. She presents herself as a steady parent, doing what any mother would do. The courtroom senses her frustration. Why was she dragged here for something she already manages?
Understanding why he would waste our time and bring me to court just for this, when I'm
Okay.
doing for Michaela.
All right. And so do you all have any relationship at all?
We don't.
Okay. Was there a recent disagreement or something? I mean, something triggered him to want to bring you to.
The judge digs deeper. No communication, no recent agreement. So what triggered this filing? The truth finally surfaces. A single situation, a male friend, was enough to set her ex-husband off. The tension between the adults has spilled into the courtroom.
The court and ask for child support, especially for a child that you all share.
Absolutely. And there was a situation where I had a friend, and he just did not like the fact that I had a friend and Michaela was around my friend.
Okay. So it's a guy friend.
It is. It
Okay.
is a guy friend, and he's just very vindictive at this point, and this really shows it. He didn't even show up.
The judge nods slowly. A familiar pattern. A parent reacting out of jealousy or anger instead of focusing on the child. But today there is something even more troubling. The father isn't here. His empty chair speaks louder than any testimony.
Yeah, it's when people don't show up to court, it's weird for me because I have to stare at an empty chair, But what I am going to do is go ahead and dismiss this case. You will not be placed on child support today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Do you understand what that means?
The judge wastes no time. Without the father present, the case cannot go forward. She dismisses it on the spot. The mother breathes out in relief, thanking the court. But she still has questions. What happens now?
dismissing?
I do understand that. However, I would like to know what are my next steps that I possibly could have.
Well, at this point, none. You're not being placed on child support. His
Okay.
case is being dismissed. If in the future, now he can refile and try to bring you back to court. And
The judge explains clearly, nothing more happens today. She will not be placed on child support. The father must start from the beginning if he wants another hearing. He must refile. He must serve her again. And most importantly, he must actually show up.
he can get you reserved and hopefully he shows up. But other than that, nothing else is going to happen with your case. He has to go through the entire process again.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Do you have any other questions?
No questions at this time, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you're dismissed.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The mother asks if there's anything else she needs to do. The judge reassures her. There is not. The case is over for now. A simple mistake on the father's part, but a powerful one. The courtroom moves on.
Hi guys, it's me. I just want to go over what you all witnessed in the McKinney case. Well, mom was brought to court by her ex-husband who did not show up for court. If you are going to file a lawsuit, you have to show up. If you don't show up and the person who you were trying to place on child support shows up, the court cannot move forward with whatever relief that you were requesting, and the case was dismissed, and it's that simple.
Later, the judge reflects on the case. A clear lesson emerges. If you file a lawsuit, you must appear. Without the person making the accusation, the court cannot act. It doesn't matter how strong the claim is, or how upset the filer might be. No appearance means no progress. In my courtroom, you cannot demand justice from a seat you never take.